and welcome back to my channel. First of all, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. It's right down below. Also, please like this video. Liking the video helps my channel grow, so just help me a little bit, like this video. And anyway, let's get into it. So today I'm going to be braiding my hair. I did not plan on braiding my hair today. Honestly, I was going to do it like at the end of the week, but I'm bored, okay? It's spring break. I don't have nothing to do this entire week. And so I'm like, I might as well just do my hair now. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so the hairstyle I'm gonna do is like these. I wanted to do short braids, but I'm kind of scared. When my hair is stressed out, it's pretty long. So I can't really do like braids that are like this length or anything like that. Unless I do like that method where like you braid your natural hair and then you fold it over. I'm kind of scared to do that because I'm gonna keep my hair in for at least a month. And I'm scared to have it like folded over on itself for an entire month. I was trying to do knotless braids, but I don't feel like doing knotless braids. I'm gonna stick with my knot, but I'm gonna do like the bottom half of my hair be like a red gingerish color, and the top of my hair will be my regular color, which is like, I think I'm color 2. So this is the hair that I'm gonna be using on the top of my head. It's color 1B, which is like a little bit too dark for me, but like it's fine. Now the color for the bottom is this right here. It's color 350. It's so pretty, and I feel like it'll be such a pretty color for like the bottom of the hair. As for the supplies, I have this big old thing of black rubber band. Of course, you always need to get extra jam. And then for my beads, I have a bunch of beads, but I was gonna just use these two colors, just like black beads and clear beads. But then a few days ago when I went to the bead supply store, I saw these wooden beads, and I was like, you know what, I have an idea. Now I love me a good ombre, so I was like, what if I stack my beads like this? So the top bead will be clear, then it goes to this light brown color, then the medium brown color, and then this dark brown color, and then the black. Like, I feel like that'd be kind of fine, you know what I'm saying? Kind of stacking it like this on my hair. So I like that. I think that'd be fine. My hair is washed. I washed it a few days ago. Since my hair is already stressed, I'm not about to go and blow dry it. Like, it's literally stressed already. Just gonna brush it out. And it's literally exactly 5 p.m. like on the dot. So let's say I start at 5. I have prayer meeting at 8 p.m. which will last till 9, and then I have till midnight. I'm gonna go to bed at midnight. Will I finish my hair in 5 hours? Who knows? I'm gonna just do what I can for right now. And I can always wear a hat or like a scarf or something. Anyway, we're gonna start my hair. Oh yeah, this of course, you need this. I started the first braid. I'm sorry I didn't film it. I cut the hair into 4s, so it's like really short now, which is like, I should not have done that, but you know, we live and we learn. Right now, this is the length, about right here. I'm gonna just put the beads on this braid just to see what it will look like. Oh, this is tight, oh my gosh. So when you put it on the beading tool, have like the last color you want go in first, because this is how it's gonna be on the braid, like this. And so now you take the hair, put it through the hole, and just pull. Take the very bottom bead, fold the hair over like this. Then take your rubber band and tie the rubber band around the bead a lot, like a lot, because you want to make sure this is secure. You don't want your beads to be falling off when you in class. Pull the rest of the beads down and you have it. This is cute. I like it. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the length. That's a really good length. And then for this hair that you see, the excess, just cut it off. First one. This is cute. I'm loving this. It's gonna look so cool. Hey guys, so it's the next day. This is all I've gotten done, just about half of my hair. I do have a little bit of this row still to do. I'm loving it so far. I thought I'd be getting annoyed at the beads, but I'm not annoyed at them yet, so hopefully it stays that way. Only problem is that I'm running out of beads, because what I wanted to do originally was this pattern. I wanted to do like an ombre, so the lightest, the darkest, 5 beads, and it was really cute. It was given, but I started to run out really quickly, and so now what I've been doing is just like 3 beads per braid. It's been working out. So if I end up running out of beads, what I'll do is go through the back of my braids, and the ones that have 5, I'll just take some off so that I'll just make them all be 3, so I'll have enough for my entire head. Even though I do like the 5 beads and I like the way that it looks, you know, it's fine. It's not perfectly even, obviously, but it's even enough for me. But I'm loving the bottom. I love that it's like a little pop of gingery red, orange, whatever color you would call this. One thing that I've been doing to help me get my part straight is that, one, of course, I have a mirror. I saw this thing on TikTok, and it was some girl that said that like if you're trying to braid your own hair, you want to make sure that your your parts are straight, FaceTime yourself. I FaceTime myself and I had my laptop open like this, and then my phone was in front of me. It was hard because it was like mirrored, so every time I went this way, it would go this way. You know what I'm saying? It was kind of hard, but at least I could see. When I was doing the sides of my hair, I would have my laptop here, and then I would just take my phone on my tripod and move it around like that to see. And of course, the parts are not gonna be perfect because I'm not I'm not perfect, you know what I'm saying? But it's good enough for me. We're gonna just keep on going. Oh my gosh, is that show coming back? Sorry, then I'm on Netflix right now. I already put a bunch of beads on this thing just to make it easier. I just like take 3 and go. Let's get to it. I just realized that I can't FaceTime myself when I'm recording. Oh, I gotta get a camera. I've got to get a camera. This is so not good. Anyway, I've been watching Total Drama Island. I'm on season 3 right now. Total Drama World Tour. And I love that show. Okay guys, so this is the progress. I just have this top section left. I split these into 4 lines, and then hopefully that can be 16 braids because I'm looking at my beads here. I only have enough beads for 16 braids. I'm gonna try to make it 16, but I'm not gonna force it. So let me show you guys what I do. I take a section that's like this thick, and then I split it into thirds. So we have 2 thirds here and 1 third here. And then when I braid, I'm gonna braid it down with this, and then like halfway through, I'm gonna add this section here just to make sure it's long enough for the beads to go on. I'm here, I have my hair, which is like the short piece, and then the 2 long pieces. I'm gonna just add in a section of hair and then keep braiding all the way down. Enough beads. I only have like 8 beads left, and I'm trying to have 3 beads on each. So I have 7 braids that don't have beads on them, and I need 3 beads on each braid. 3 times 7 is 21 minus the 8 beads that I have. That means I need 13 beads. Because these beads are in the back, I'm gonna take 2 off in the back, and so I'll have enough for the front. The front is the most important. The front needs to look the nicest, so that's what I'm gonna do. Hey guys, so I finished my hair. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna use this Shine and Jam setting mousse. I don't even know if that does anything. I'm not going to put my hair in hot water. I don't know why. I'm nervous it's gonna like melt the beads or something. I don't want to melt the beads obviously. So I'm going to the mousse, wrap my hair, and go to bed. Hey guys, it's Joselle. I don't know if I ever came back and finished my video, but I finished my braids. As you can see, I absolutely love them. At first, I was like, I don't know if I like these because I feel like I look like a kid with these braids and beads. But you know what? I look freaking cute. I do not care. So far, this has been my favorite style, having 2 braids in front of my face and then having it in a messy bun and the beads on one side. I don't know why, but it's just so freaking cute. And my outfit today is super cute too, as you can see. Hopefully you guys can see that, but the back of my hair is the red color. I love the little pop of red, but I love these braids. It's really growing on me, and I just think it's so cute. But anyway, that is all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed that video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right down below. Comment down below whatever you want to comment down below. Follow me on all my social medias, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.